I'm Amanda.
I'm Michelle,
And we're from Arty Learning.
We have helped over 1,000 children to transit well into their primary level. We help children build a strong language foundation with our creative touch. What is creative touch? Creative touch means to integrate arts into our curriculum.
We incorporate hands-on learning and experiment to enhance your child's learning.
Our teachers must undergo a 3-month training so that they are equipped with the right skills and tools to nurture your children. Want to find out more? Join us at Arty Learning.
As a parent, I feel that Arty Learning has actually built their confidence. So before they go to primary school, they were a bit reluctant to kind of like read and stand out or in front of others to read aloud. But Arty Learning actually preps them to the preschool education and help them to build the confidence. I just feel the part that where they are able to kind of like speak confidently, able to recognize words, able to read the storybooks, they can choose their own storybooks. I feel that this is actually very meaningful because I think a lot of kids, they will have a lot of struggles when picking up storybooks to read on their own. I think it's very important because as parents, right, we always have like struggles to kind of make ends meet, worry about the kids' performance. But like Arty Learning, with Arty Learning around, we feel that actually the teachers are able to guide them, coach them, and then let them learn at their own pace. And actually helps us a lot because when they give us review, we feel that all the review is actually on point and we are able to help the kids as they progress before going to primary school.
Both my nephew and my niece, right, they actually started at the age of 3 and till K2. Throughout these 3 years of teaching by teacher Amanda and teacher Michelle, they actually improved quite a lot in their phonics, in the pronunciation of the English language, and also in creativity in arts. My niece especially, actually after teacher Amanda classes, right, has now actually enrolled in art classes just due to the passion that is being started by teacher Amanda. So from there, their confidence level due to this kind of like courses through teacher Amanda class actually take up quite a lot. So they used to be very shy, very quiet, but nowadays, wow, havoc already. Thank you.
So throughout the journey with teacher Amanda, it actually builds up their confidence level and also their creativity learning, which actually helps them in the when they grow up. Yeah, it's really very important.
It actually starts from young, okay, for sure, right? Because teachers Amanda and teachers Michelle passion and their patience towards kids, right? You can see it from day one when they actually started the class, be it the trial class or actually after the enrollment. Throughout the 3 years period that they actually attended the class for the both of them, right? We can see a tremendous improvement, that's for sure. The way they actually pronounce started as a toddler in English actually grows to become even more slang than us. It's very, very impressive, I feel, and she's done a very, very great job for that, I believe, for sure.
I usually do English phonics. I like learning here because it helps me improve my English through thesis and mental classes.
Yes, I like learning here because it also helped me improve my phonics, and now I got better grades. I usually do art and phonics and more English.
Because it helps me improve my English foundation.
My girl has been with Arty Learning for about 8 months. She joined from January onwards, right? And then I realized that in January she couldn't really read any sentences. But once now, right, she's able to use phonics and blend words together. Yeah, so it has been a very good experience for her. And Arty Learning is very fun because it's not only like she's learning from scratch, as in they incorporate a lot of activities like games, coloring, art and craft into their learning materials, which is very good. Alicia has always been a very confident girl, but after she joined Arty Learning, she's able to be more sociable because it's a small group learning. Arty Learning is not about just learning from the book and reading out from books, but they have a lot of different experiences for the kids, like art and craft, coloring, games as well. So it has been a very good experience for her.
I think this environment is really great. That it's bright, it's airy, and also it's very clear for everyone to see what's going on in the classroom. Yeah. I think with the space given, the kids are allowed to grow. They're allowed to learn as they play, which I think for their age is quite important.
Okay, I think Arty Learning has been very helpful At least for my kids, my 3 kids who has been through the Arty Learning education, it has helped a lot in their later years when they go into primary school and all that. Yeah. Okay, so I think the teachers when they were teaching my kids, they are very friendly, and the course material and the approach is very child friendly, so they could pick up phonics very quickly, and with that kind of confidence, they could approach the learning of English when it came to primary school. I think approaching English, learning English through phonics is a good start, and I think it's a very good approach. And of course, having a platform like Arty Learning helps a lot because of the way the teachers approach the content. They are very friendly and teach the kids in an approachable manner, so that helps the kids to pick up, I would say, maybe a difficult content or even abstract content like phonics. Yeah, so having very friendly, child-friendly platform certainly helps.
I like learning here.
We realized that after they start learning over here, they pick up the phonics easier and their spelling improve as well. And I think the art part make them understand the concepts much clearer. I think it's very important because primary 1 onwards, spelling is so important. It really helps them that we do not need to really teach them about the spelling. They can just listen to the pronunciation of the words, then they're able to spell.
Actually, before learner on board to Arty Learning, he hasn't been able to speak well, and he speak very fast, during the conversation. But I think after joining Arty Learning, right, he's able to speak slowly and also able to read like A, B, C and all this. Even now, he speak much slower. So yes, I think Arty Learning really helps him in terms of his phonics. I think now his journey is in terms of greeting people. He's now more polite and also able to speak well with the father and grandfather, and he is more confident in his language now. I think it is very important to learn the basic, for especially phonics, right? Be able to understand how to do the pronunciation, and then so that you can actually get more into the deeper as you learn and the language. Yeah.
So I love the environment here. I find it very cheerful and very welcoming, and it's really bright. Yeah, and I think it's going to be a place where the children feel safe and rather conducive for learning. Okay, so unfortunately, my children, they are all much older, but I will definitely be looking out for mothers with young children or parents with young children and to recommend them here, because what I like about this place is that there's 1 teacher to 4 students ratio, and that would definitely give a very personalized learning environment for the children. All right, so congratulations to Michelle and Amanda. I'm so proud that you are expanding to a 2nd outlet, and for parents with young children, please come join us in this new center because you can see it's really welcoming and very conducive for learning.
我觉得这个地方非常棒，因为他们把这里布置成很简单，但是它有给我一种很新鲜感，而且有那种想要学习的一个场所。它的白呢代表很纯的白，而且让小孩子进来有一种天真的那个感觉，我觉得非常好的地方。这是理所当然的，这么好的气氛，加上这里的老师每一个都很专业，我一定会介绍人家来这里。我要在这里恭贺 Amanda 跟 Michelle 的第2间分行，我希望他们将很快的拥有第3间分行。同个时候，你们也一定要来这里参观，带你的孩子来这里学习，赞哦！
Congratulations, Amanda and Michelle, soon for your 2nd opening of Arty Learning. Well, I'm just so excited for you, and I had the honor and pleasure of being their trainer many years ago. And today I see them with so many teachers under their belt. And the most important thing is that as an education center, it's about the teachers who are being supportive. How do you get supportive teachers? Is when you have supported business owners. So it's been my pleasure and honor to see the teachers thrive as under the leadership of Amanda and Michelle. So congratulations, and parents, why you should be here, because your children will be well supported and the environment is amazing, and each class is only 3 to 4 students. Now that's really rare. So have fun learning and growing with Arty Learning. Thank you.
Okay, hi. So I'm teacher Rina. I'm actually a teacher trainer in the Arty Learning company.
So right here, over here, what we are doing is actually we are going to be assessing the children based on their literacy development. So as you know, in Arty Learning, right, we actually aim to create a strong learning foundation in literacy using creative methods in creative ways. So over here, what she's doing is actually doing fishing. So on the fishes that she's going to be fishing, there's actually letters or words. Some of it there will be words. So how we will actually assess them is that asking them by the letters. So what letter is this? Then proceed by using sounds and then to see if they are able to read. So this will actually be able to assess whether they are in 3 levels, whether they're in believers, dreamers or pursuers. So that's how we will actually assess them and have fun with them at the same time so that children have fun in learning. Thank you!
Hello, I am teacher Cheryl and I'm a teacher here at Arty Learning. Over here at this booth, this is the magic letter booth. So what we do is get the kids to color on the paper and the words will magically appear. Yeah, so this is to help them to associate the alphabet and the sound so that we are able to assess them on where they are supposed to be and we know that which level they are at.
Hi, so here we have our book number 3, which is I Spy. And here we will actually allow children to either try to read the word that is given to them, and if they aren't able to read the word, we will guide them. Maybe they can identify the first sound of the word or identify the letter, and then we will give them the name of the picture, and they will have to use the magnifying glass to find the picture on the wall. Yeah.
I am Patricia. I like Arty Learning.